Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, a new series. We're finally going to be taking apart this engine and we're going to be installing all the mods, changing the color combination inside of this, and we're going to be changing the color of the whole entire car. Stay tuned. So for the past year and a half, I've been teasing that I'm gonna go ahead and start changing up the engine bay and installing a smaller supercharger pulley, other mods to support that, but I've never really had the chance until today. Now we have a clear schedule, we can work on this. And to start things off with, if you haven't seen my parts list, you can go ahead and check up the video I have tagged right here. That should give you a clear idea of what's going to be going into this. We've already installed the headers onto the car. We installed the headers, we did the exhaust. All of that sounds good. All that's left now is, all right, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is taking out the wheels so we can gain some access to these calipers. The engine's still hot, so we're just going to take out the calipers first, and then we're going to start working on the engine. Would you look at this? See that? This is all because I ceramic coated the inside of this wheel well. So make sure you ceramic coat the inside of your wheel well. All this other stuff, oh my god, I don't know what's going on here. I never ceramic coated the calipers, so maybe
this color is so beautiful.
This color is going to be on the CLS.
Let's put these there and give those calipers to.
Plus, I'd like to redo these. Either way, I'm okay with either option.
Why your car is not so important? We're gonna pinch the brake line. We remove it, all the pistons, but I have to see whether you have all the stuff, you know, if you can get them all, because for me it's not a problem. I just need a little bit of air and it pops out.
Are there any rubber boots? Yeah, see, there are rubber boots right there. We can probably reuse them, but I don't think it would be advised.
So now,
Are these rubber or metal?
that's metal.
You can leave it in there.
Yeah. Bring that tray.
Oh, that's heavy.
So now we need to take the rubbers. This one is more important. Okay. now, do you want all these things? We do not want to remove these bolts, dummy. That's very important.
Let's remove this.
Oh, actually, we can do that.
We'll remove this and then leave everything else for him to powder coat.
Okay.
I legit thought this was, you can split this in half. Ooh, there's a smell.
Yeah.
Look at that. You know what's crazy? Only 2003 and 2004 SLs came with 8-piston calipers. If you wanted 8-piston calipers after those years, you'd have to get the F1 package, the P30 package.
We have to take them out.
That's ready for powder coat. Alright, so Dad's just about almost done with that. He just needs to pop the pistons out and get the O-rings out. I, on the other hand, took out my front splitter, and that's all the way over there. Reason why I took this out is because we're going to be swapping this bumper with a 65 bumper. That's the one that has a cutout over here, a more aggressive vent right here. So that's going to be coming to this car. We need to go grab it. It's somewhere up there. It's that box that just is standing up. Once we grab that, we're going to put that on here. It's not painted, which means we got to wrap it. So that is the last front caliper disassembled. All our pistons are inside here, all our O-rings, and now all our nipples are in here. Now that we're done with this, we're going to move on to the rear calipers. Should be half as long because it's half as many pistons. All right, we just got done taking out all of the calipers here, the front and rear calipers. Now we're gonna go ahead and start working on the engine. Would you look at these? These things are so big. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. In the next video, we're going to be working on taking out parts of the engine, and I'll see you then. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Till the next one.